2004 Dodge Ram 5.7 liter flip kit install. So got the new shackles in. These right here. Let me see if I can get some. Anyways, shackles are in. Leaf springs are in. The adapter bracket to set the diff is on there. U-bolts are on. Base bracket is on. The new shocks that come with the flip kit is just installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the dry shaft. That one right there. Bolt that back on. And yeah, this guy was complaining that his exhaust sounded pretty funny, and well, that's the reason why. The flow master that's on there right now, it's broken. He said it sounded really bad, so yeah, that's your reason why. But yeah, so there's the other shock right there. So everything's already been tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the caliper brackets back on, the ones that go right here, and then install the calipers, install the emergency brake, this one right here, and probably fix this broken rod, bend this in because it's bent out. Yeah, you can see it right there. It needs to go in some, and then from there drop it and bleed the brakes. But yeah, so let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back.